And I'm going to show you how to make a gold grinder, which I created myself. Yes, the Technocat, I made it. So to make it, you want it to be unanchored, merge level red if you wanna. It can be any block, but I'm gonna do it with gold because it's the best. So you wanna make it a 3x3, so or 4x4. If you, but I'm gonna make a 3x3. You guys can make a 4x4 or 3x3 if you guys know. Okay, then you want a hinge and place a block. Actually, you need to make it. You need to place it higher. You want to place it right there. Place any block there. Get a pole and do that. And then you need a magnet. And then, oh wait. Check if it's in range. Yep, it's in range. So then you need a pilot seat. Yeah, pilot seat. And then you're done. I'll show you how it works. So you want to press the magnet. Then uh-oh. Hopefully it does not fly away. Okay. It should work. And sorry if the frame rate is bad. It's just the new update. Oh, it works. Okay, let me yeah, I suggest making a 4x4 because it's more stable. Unlike this. Okay, this is the one which I created by my own mind. So I say make a 4x4, not a 3x3. Because you can mess around a bit worse. Oh yeah. You just need to put 2 poles, not 3. I think. Okay. Sit in the middle. So laggy. You can put, and yes, this is all unanchored. And you just don't need to press anything. You just need to go up. So yeah. Oh, get me out. I need to sit on this again. Okay, so when you turn, don't turn on your magnet. Or maybe this will happen to you. Oh my god, what's with this? Okay. Up. Okay. So you just need to tap up a bit, slightly each time. Turn. Oh, that was lucky. And be careful because you might lose your magnet. But you go pretty far. So maybe add protection like my friend did to make this. I told him to make this. And yeah, then you might get a lot of, and you can reach to the end with this. So if you guys like my video, and maybe subscribe. And good